Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really great appetizer. In case you have friends come over and you need something really quick to serve, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a grilled brie with rosemary ham and hot cherry peppers. But before I get started, I want to acknowledge and recognize Blue Rhino for all their support in fueling our disaster programs so we can serve the one hot meal that matters. First, to get started, we're going to take our wheel of brie and just unwrap it. Okay, first thing we want to do is we're going to slice the brie in half. Okay, we got a nice soft cream brie. This is going to be fantastic. First thing we're going to do is put a little barbecue spice on the inside of the brie. Today I'm going to be using our sweet and smoky rub from Operation Barbecue Relief. I'm just going to put a little bit because I want to really amp up the flavor of the cheese. And it's also going to give it just a little bit of a barbecue twist. Next, I'm going to take some of my sliced hot cherry peppers and I'm going to arrange them around the brie. You want to make sure it doesn't stick out the sides. You just want to cover the inside. Okay, once I have that, I'm going to take slices of rosemary ham. And again, being careful not to come out the side of the brie, I'm going to place 3 slices of rosemary ham in the center. Now I'm going to top it and I'm going to press firmly. Okay, what we want to do is we're going to grill this and the cheese is going to get nice and soft and gooey, and the inside, the ham and the peppers are going to heat up. It's going to be fantastic. So now our last step before we put it on the grill, and our grill is set at 350 degrees, we want to coat the brie with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now this is going to help achieve the nice grill marks that we're looking to get, and it's going to be a great presentation. You want to do that on the top and the bottom because we are going to turn it over because the cheese needs time to get soft and gooey. Okay, now we're ready to grill. I'm going to keep the grill closed. This way it'll create almost like an oven that's going to help heat and melt the brie. Okay, now we're ready to turn our brie over. You can see we got some really nice grill marks on that brie. It's going to be ready in just about 2 more minutes. Look at that color on that brie. That looks fantastic. You can see the brie is starting to melt a little bit. It's got that beautiful grill marks on top. Oh, it smells heaven. Now we're just going to place some crackers around. All right, and then to finish, I'm just going to place some hot cherry peppers stacked right in the center. And there you have it, grilled brie with rosemary ham and hot cherry peppers. Fast and easy to make on your grill. Enjoy.